Okay, and the winner is The Donors to the Other One, which is going to be a fantastic film, an independent feature film made possible by lots of people, including you, and no, it's not a real Oscar, obviously, but the other one is going to be an award-winning film, I guarantee you, and I'm only Nancy Sellers, and I'm only one of the stars of this wonderful film with Grace McPhillips. We got to thank some people this week for their important donations. Every little bit counts, makes a difference, and you are winners. And here are your names. Norma Plackey, thank you very much. And Margaret Scholes, this is so cool. Steve Scholes is an actor and a supporter of the other one, and now his aunt has gotten into it. Thank you, Margaret. And Robert Sauer, thank you for your contribution. Sandra Nickel, thank you. Thank you. Teresa Tang, come up on the stage, please. Cicely Gargaro, thank you for your donation to the other one. And Michael Casey, who's one of our composers, and that's what they're working on right now. The cut is finished, or at least the first one, and the composers are working on it, along with Corbett, who is leading the charge. And thanks, Michael Casey, for supporting it this way as well. Nancy Sellers, c'est moi. Steve Wilburn, thank you for your donation. Chicago Talkies Limited, thank you, Raza, another Chicago filmmaker supporting Chicago filmmaking. Indies rule. Thank you, Jer and Sarah Beasley. Thank all of you folks for your donations. We want to get our film in the can and have this be an award-winning film. And so do continue to tell your friends, like Steve told his Aunt Margaret, and get them lined up too. Any donation is welcome. Thank you so much on behalf of Sterling Rock Productions and the other one. That's who the award's going to go to.